I created these summer thumbnails with the UniConverter using AI. In this video, I'll show you my process. So we're going to primarily use the Image Background Remover AI tool, but additionally, we'll use the Watermark Remover and the Thumbnail Maker AI as well. First of all, choose an image of yourself. You can use a still frame from your video or take a separate image of yourself, whatever you prefer. Generally, it's good if you're showing some kind of emotion in this picture. Next, choose the image you'd like to have as the background. In case it has distracting elements that need to be removed, like people, use the Watermark Remover AI. We have a video about removing objects with that tool, so you may check that out as well to just see how it's done. Alternatively, you can generate a background image with the Thumbnail Maker tool that works similarly to any AI tools where you have to give it a prompt. The difference is that with this tool, you can choose your aspect ratio and style in advance. Now, open the Image Background Remover tool in the UniConverter. Import your main image, and then toggle Remove Background here. Then here with the background, click on Custom and choose your background image. Then click to All and then Resize. And choose the YouTube thumbnail preset from the list. Adjust your main image on the background. Save the changes and then go back to the background options and select your background again. Additionally, if you click on the Add button here and click on Watermark here, you can add a piece of text or another image like a logo or arrow into your image. You can really customize your thumbnail with these features. When you're done editing, click on the Settings button up here and choose your output format and output folder. Finally, click on Export All. And that's how you quickly create a thumbnail by swapping backgrounds in the UniConverter. The great thing is that by swapping these backgrounds, you can create multiple versions of the same thumbnails, and you can run an A/B testing on YouTube and see which one works better. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.